So right now what you want to do is you want to open up the YouTube app so you can find it on your TV right there. And I'm just going to open it and I'm going to click on it, and then it's going to take me to apps. You can see it's opening apps right here. And it's going to show this message here: YouTube selected app would like to use, turn on via Wi-Fi. So I'm just going to say okay. And then it's going to start installing YouTube. You must make sure that you have your LG account signed in for you to do this. I showed it in my previous video that I'm going to link. So you can see here, application has been successfully updated, because it sometimes needs to update the app. And then this is the YouTube page you're going to get introduced to. So I'm going to come over there to where it says get started. Sometimes you might not see this button. So I'm going to click on it, and then you're going to sign in with your phone or sign in with your remote or add a kid account. Or you can just watch as a guest if you don't want to watch YouTube while signed in. But I'm going to choose sign in with your phone, because most people have phones, and I've got my phone right here. So over here on the right side, you can see that it shows a scan code, and then you also have down below, you also have a link to where you can activate, and also a code you can enter. So for now, since I have my phone right here, I'm just gonna go ahead and scan the code that I can see here. So I'm just gonna use my camera, the photo camera. So you don't wanna do video, you wanna come on photo on the iPhone, and then you're gonna get a link, and then I'm gonna click on it, and then it's gonna come over to my YouTube account, and then it's gonna pop up like this because my YouTube account is signed in to the phone. And then I'm just gonna click continue as Xdizzle. That's me, that's my account. And then it's gonna load, and then it's gonna connect to the TV. So you can see it right here. It's asking about the code. If this code that's on the phone right here matches with that one that's on the bottom of the TV right there. So you must make sure this code is the same as the code you're going to see on your phone right there. So it is the same. So I'm just going to go ahead and press continue like that, so that we can continue. And then on this page here, I'm just going to say connect, and then you can see I'm now connected. So now it's signing in, and then now everything is all good. Everything is signed in on your TV. Thanks for watching.